We used to live in Beque, Colorado, and it's windy there a lot because it's right at the bottom of a canyon, and the wind.
All the time.
We had a carport from Harbor Freight, and we also had security cameras.
Did we attach the carport to the ground?
No, we have an off-road trailer, which looks like this, and I'll draw a little diagram of how to attach your carport to the ground and how not to.
Guess which one we did?
We did the not to, the second option, because instead of staying put off from here, instead of here, we did here, and it went like this. And well, let's view together. This is from our security cameras. You can see there. So in here is an off-road trailer and a bunch of tires and a bunch of other things, and you can see the frame. I'll point. This is the roof, the truss, I guess you can call it, the A-frame, because it goes down here and here. And then this would be the wall down to the ground. It shouldn't be at 90 degrees up. It should be 90 degrees down to the ground. As the wall.
And we thought that maybe everyone could laugh and enjoy together.
So here we are. It was early in the morning, like 2 a.m. We had been drinking a lot.
Yeah, we were too many shots in for it to be 2 a.m. and this to be happening.
Well, it's like 1:30 a.m.
We were enough shots in that we contemplated not dealing with this after seeing that.
But it was making
first.
a ruckus, and it was It snowed the next day too, and it would have made this even worse to clean up.
Oh, it would have been awful.
So we went out at 2 a.m. I took my wrench out there, I disassembled it. You can see how ruined it was, and we just threw it away. We literally it's garbage. It bent the metal at 90 degrees. It's so thin. Make sure you secure it correctly. Woo-wee!
1:32 a.m. So this is where we're at.
Oh, okay.
So here we are with Chris. We did Banks Canyon early in the year in 2021. This is all in chronological order. This is maybe in like April 23rd. And we started the video at 11:28 in the afternoon. See the title of
Yeah.
it? So this is Hard Knocks. We have a Hard Knocks video. Go watch it if you haven't. It's pretty cool.
So we finally decided to come whaling again today, and it's freaking freezing. Yeah, it's been like 6 months, maybe? Like the longest time in between going off-roading that we've ever gone. It was warm yesterday. We were outside in a t-shirt and shorts, and it's freezing today. I did not wear the right clothes.
But this is going to the windmill loop backwards. It was just Chris and us.
Is it snowing in over there?
It's not as epic as I thought.
Mount Grappa looks cool.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's...
Always have to make time to stop at the playground.
And of course at the end, the playground is there. I actually got stuck right here because I should have commit right here. I should have given it the beans. I would have made it up.
Crawling like a grandpa.
Foreshadowing, my lockers were not giving me issues here
Oh,
early
yeah.
in the year. So I could have made it up. Yeah, knocked on.
Ow! Whoa!
Oh, this is after because Kirsten was at.
She was out of town.
Look, because I knocked. This old cutie. This is our sweetie. Our 11-year-old cat. When I knocked, it woke him up and he came.
Creeping out. So when we went to Bangs with just Chris, it's because Kirsten was out of town. And this was after when we went back to their house. And these are their adorable animals that were in need of a lady's loving.
Yeah. Missing their owner. So cute. This is what I do for a living. I take photos of cool old rigs. This one was not restored by by Profits. This was one that was restored, I think, in South America, and then was brought here and is for sale.
Wow.
But I just was taking some photos of it, and I thought it'd be cool to kind of show how I'm able to have access to all of these cool vehicles. It's for work. So on May 15th, we went to 21 Road with just Chris.
Interesting.
And well, I mean Jeeps.
Oh yeah, okay.
Just our two Jeeps. Our gold one and Chris's Ragnarok
That's a lie.
And Hunter's Dale. That's right, because he just got the JL.
Oh, this was one of the first ones that we went out with him.
It was a short trip though. We didn't go very far.
And Kevin found a snake.
So cute.
Just a gopher snake. Just harmless. You'll see.
I wasn't scared at all.
You can't even bite. I just picked it up.
I know.
I'm not
Story
backing
of
up
our
out
life.
of fear.
So this is us. We used to live, I already said this, in Beque, and it is the entryway to the wild horse area. Here is one of the views that was about, 15, 20 minutes from our house.
Yeah, and the wild horse area is really cool. I think it's kind of an underrated area, but there's lots of cool scenery, even if you don't see the horses.
It's underrated. We did see horses.
Even though sometimes they're a little excited. But it is lovely. There are a lot of different trails. Is there hiking trails back there?
Yeah, a lot. There's tons of trails, driving and hiking.
Yeah, and it's really quiet, and you get to see a different side of the mountain range, because usually you're in Grand Junction, and so you see the other side all the time. So I think it's a pretty cool area.
And
definitely worth going to.
And a different side of the mesa, if you know what that is. If you know what the Grand Mesa is in Grand Junction.
Yeah, you get to see the back of it, which is really cool. It's definitely not as majestic,
It's still good, though.
but still good.